At SolarOcta, we work very hard not only to be a better solar company, but also to pioneer sustainability development in India. We are not just any other solar company. We are recognized as a startup by the Government of India for our works in sustainability development oriented products and services. We are also the empaneled partners with MNRE and MSME sectors. We are India's first sustainability development oriented company offering products and services. Services ensuring power security with renewable energy, food security with urban agriculture methods, in soil and soilless mediums like hydroponics and aquaponics, and also adding efficient farming technologies like drip irrigation, fertilization of large hectare lands, and much more. Water security with STP plants, rainwater harvesting, and ethical disposal of industrial wastewater. Waste security with efficient waste management technologies offering for household consumers and industrial consumers. We use high quality equipment that is made in India and are very competitive in pricing. What sets us apart is that we work very closely with our homeowners to develop a solution that is best for them. We also look at energy efficiency opportunities to combine with solar power to deliver more value to our customers. We also look at best deals with your utilities to maximize your savings when you opt for solar power. We also look at multiple brand equipments to help homeowners decide which configuration works best for them and is within their budget.